In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install TikTok Pixel on Shopify manually. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps. This is where Shopify manages all of the tools that connect to your store. In the search bar, type TikTok and look for the official TikTok app. Make sure you are selecting the legitimate app provided for Shopify, then install it. Once it is installed, open the app so you can begin setup. Next, you will connect your account. In the TikTok app inside Shopify, click the button that says Connect. You will be prompted to log into your TikTok for Business account. Complete the login, then continue through the prompts so Shopify can link to the right TikTok assets. This connection is important because it allows your store to send customer actions, like product views and purchases, back to TikTok for ad tracking and optimization. After you are logged in, you will link your TikTok Business Center and your TikTok Ads Manager account. Choose the correct Business Center first. Then select the Ads Manager account you want associated with this Shopify store. If you manage more than one account, slow down here and double-check the names so events and reporting end up in the right place. Now you will set your data sharing option. Look for the section labeled Data Sharing, then choose Maximum. This setting enables the strongest tracking available through the integration, which helps improve attribution and ad performance reporting. If you have multiple tracking options, selecting Maximum typically provides more complete event data. Next, you will create or link your pixel. Find the pixel section and click Create Pixel if you are starting fresh. If you already have a TikTok pixel you want to use, open the drop-down and select the existing pixel instead. Make sure the correct pixel is selected before moving on, because this is what TikTok will use to receive your store events. Finally, click Finish Setup. At this point, Shopify will automatically begin firing key events for you, including View Content, Add to Cart, and Purchase. Give it a few moments to finalize, and keep your Shopify and TikTok windows open until you see confirmation that setup is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.